emergency exits on this aircraft: 4 over wing, 2 rear doors and 2 front doors. All exits are clearly marked with opening instructions and are illuminated by exit signs. The location of your nearest exit is now being indicated by the crew. Please bear in mind that it could be located behind you. In an emergency situation, floor-level lighting will indicate the way to these exits. If instructed to leave the aircraft, move quickly to the nearest exit, leaving all personal items behind. Whenever the seatbelt sign is switched on, return to your seat and fasten your seatbelt. To fasten it, insert the metal end into the buckle and tighten by pulling on the strap. To open, lift the metal flap on the buckle and pull apart. As a precaution against sudden turbulence, we recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened and visible to the crew whenever you're seated, even if the seatbelt sign is off. We will provide extension seatbelts for infants. If you have an infant on board and have not already received these, please notify a crew member. You'll find your life jacket under your seat if seated in economy class, or between the armrests if seated in business class. If you need it, take it out of its container and pull it over your head. Pass the strap around your waist. Clip the fastener at the front and pull the strap to fit. You must not inflate your life jacket until you are outside the aircraft. To inflate, pull the red tabs sharply downwards. Should it fail to inflate or need topping up, blow into these red tubes. The life jacket is equipped with a light which automatically illuminates when in contact with water. Should oxygen masks drop from the compartment above your seats, please remain seated and fasten your seatbelt. Activate your mask by pulling it towards you. Place the mask over your nose and mouth. Adjust the elastic band for a secure fit and breathe normally. Passengers traveling with an infant are advised that an extra mask for the infant will be released from each overhead compartment. Please ensure your own mask is fitted before assisting others. You'll find a safety briefing card in the seat pocket in front or to the side of you. Please read this before takeoff, as it contains important information relating to emergency exits, oxygen systems and life jackets. Please now check that your table is folded away with your seat back upright and the armrest down. Your seatbelt must be tightly fastened, ready for takeoff. If you haven't already stowed your hand baggage in the overhead compartments, you should place it under the seat in front of you. You are kindly reminded that this is a non-smoking flight and smoking is strictly prohibited. This includes the toilets, which are fitted with smoke detectors. If you have any queries or have not fully understood the content of this safety briefing video, please contact a cabin crew member. The crew will now make a final inspection of the cabin in preparation for departure. Thank you for your attention, and we hope you have an enjoyable flight.